Hello students, this is my next video of subsidiary books, and here I am taking next question number 11 from NCERT book. This is the question. Prepare petty cash book from the following transactions. The impressed account amount is rupees 2000. Impressed amount means the amount is fixed for petty cash book, for petty cashier. So that amount is known as impressed amount. And these are the entries: paid cartage, STD charges, bus fare. You can see what the small amount is paid for all these transactions, 40, 50, 20. So we record these transactions in petty cash book, and this is the format which I taught you earlier. Heading is petty cash book, and one amount received column is there, and there is only one entry of amount received, because at the beginning of every month a petty cashier received some fixed amount from the head cashier, and the entry is to cash or to balance brought down. If there is a balance, then write to balance brought down 2000, and entries are posted in this way in a single column, because there is only one particular column in petty cash book. So all the debit and credit entries are posted in one single column, because there is only one debit entry and rest all the entries are credit. So by cartage, by STD charges, and this is the amount paid column. One single amount paid column is there. All the amounts firstly written in this amount paid column, and then in related expenditure column. Like here I am taking writing traveling charges, one column for traveling charges, one column for postage and stationery, then refreshments, then telephone charges, then miscellaneous or other expenses. You can write other expenses also. So for cartage, traveling charges, STD charges, it is written in telephone, then bus fare, traveling, postage and stationery, refreshment, it comes under refreshment column. Then courier charges, it is also postage, refreshment, then again cartage, it comes in traveling charges. Then taxi fare, stationery column is there, postage and stationery. Then bus fare all again comes in traveling charges. Then fax fare comes under telephone charges. Then telegram, postage, it relates with postage, postal stamps. Then repair of furniture in miscellaneous column. Laundry expenses, miscellaneous column. Miscellaneous expenses, miscellaneous means other different types of expenses. And then make total of amount paid column, it comes 1065, and all the single columns which are prepared for individual expenses, it should also total. Then come to the balance point. After deducting 1065 rupees from 2000, the balance comes as 935 rupees. Then in next month, this is January month's transaction, then in next month, 1st February, on 1st February, first entry will be to balance brought down. This is for balance amount, and whatever the amount is spent by the petty cashier, only that much amount has to be paid by the head cashier to petty cashier, and the entry is to cash 1065. Again petty cashier has 2000 rupees in hand. So this is how a petty cash book is prepared, and it is very easy. You can practice other questions from NCERT book, or maybe from other books also. You can prepare these questions.